Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here and welcome back to another ride along video. In today's video I got my Segway Ninebot Max, also known as the G30P by Segway. Now I got almost 800 miles on this scooter and I've been really enjoying riding this electric scooter all around town. Now for me, this is a very stable scooter. It feels reliable and most importantly, I feel safe when I am riding my Ninebot Max. Now I can easily reach 19 miles per hour. This has a 550 watt battery. It can climb 20% hill grades. You got those 10-inch tubeless self-sealing tires, IP65 rating, and a 350 watt motor. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go on the ride. I'll stop every now and then and kind of just share with you the location, the sights, but let's go ahead and get our scoot on. So really quick, I want to share with you that I'm right outside of Raging Waters, which is a very awesome water park here in Southern California. So I'm going to go ahead and go up a little further and see if I can get like a bird's eye view of the water park, or at least one of the largest water slides that they have here at Raging Waters. So let's go ahead and keep it moving. Alright, so I made it to this point right here where you can get kind of a good view of the water park. So Raging Waters is one of the largest water parks in California. It's a 60-acre water park and has more than 50 world-class rides, slides. It's a seasonal park, so it's closed right now, but let's go ahead and keep it moving. Alright, so I took a quick little stop right here just because I wanted to share with you this really nice view that's right behind my Segway Ninebot Max. You can see a little bit of snow up there on top, but this is basically the foothills. I am still within Los Angeles County, but this is like the very end of LA County here. Again, in the city of San Dimas, but a really nice view and such a really nice day. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it moving here, and I'll stop again and share with you some other sights along the way. But so far it's been a really nice ride. Let's keep going. Alright, and just a quick little stop right here just to share with you the Pudding Stone Lake view right here. You can bring your boat out here, you can do fishing, they even have an area for swimming, but let's go ahead and keep it moving. All right, and just want to share with you right here, they do have paddle boat and kayak rentals over here at Pudding Stone Lake, but definitely be careful for the coyotes. A lot of coyotes in this area, and be sure not to drink the water from the lake either. It's not very good for you. Let's go ahead and keep moving. And just a quick little stop right here, just another view of the lake. And as you can see, there is somebody out there fishing, but definitely a cool spot to come hang out for the day, bring the scooter out, the bikes, fish. Alright, so we're coming up to the end of this scooter ride here. I practically made it all the way through the park. Still got a good amount of battery life left. Take a look at those raging water prices right there. Pretty high. They might even go up once the park reopens again for the summer. But so far, I'm really enjoying the ride. Segway Ninebot Max is holding up really good. I'm going to go ahead and keep this ride going. Let's keep scooting.